to another week of Bollywood Roundup at desi1170am.com with me, Shrija, and with our Bollywood correspondent in Mumbai, Abhishek Datta, who joins us every week via Skype. You can be a part of this segment. How? By sending an email to nate@klok1170am.com. If you're ready for this week's Bollywood stories, let's go across to Abhishek Datta right away. Abhishek, what do you have for us this week?
श्रीजा यार मेरे को घर पे बैठना पड़ रहा है ये हफ्ता तो ज्यादा करके बिकॉज इट स्टार्टेड पोरिंग नाउ लाइक पहली बारिश हो रही है बॉम्बे में एंड यू नो व्हाट एवरी वीक यू एंड योर प्रोड्यूसर यू गाइस गो आउट समवेयर और द अदर वेल दिस वीकेंड आई एम गोना गो आउट एंड वंस आई एम बैक आई विल गिव यू ऑल द डिटेल्स मैं चाहता हूं कि नजर लग जाए मेरे को अभी alright but in terms of Bollywood you know there's lots happening again there's Hate Story 2 coming out Hate Story 1 जब ही आई थी so that time a lot of people thought कि यार कैसी फिल्म होगी क्या होगा क्या नहीं होने वाला है it's too bold it was termed as an erotic thriller now Hate Story 2 is coming out which cast Surveen Chawla and Jai Bhanushali in the lead both of them are television actors and they have been anchors in the past and now they are making their big Bollywood debut if I have to talk about the songs of Hate Story 2 they are simply rocking the charts I'm sure if you have a countdown chart then Aaj Phir Tum Pe should be at the number 1 I insist it should be at the number 1 and you know I got a chance to meet Surveen Chawla and she's really excited she's got a lot of fans everywhere and she has been going out and people just look at her and she said that people just look at me and they're like Aaj Phir Tum Pe Pyar Aa Raha Hai and they get really emotional looking at her so Surveen Chawla's got some really great fan following out there besides Jai Bhanushali is also excited he wants to do a good film with Alia Bhatt since he's entering Bollywood and Alia Bhatt is probably you know Jai Bhanushali's dream actress from the current lot that he would want to work with and for Surveen Chawla it is Ranbir Kapoor she's a die-hard Ranbir Kapoor fan by the way Ranbir and Katrina are also going to be moving in and they have looked out for a pad in Bandra and the house is on the same building where Aamir Khan stays so we are looking out to do some paparazzi and get some pictures capture them together coming out of the building so that when that happens, I'm going to update you guys soon on that bit. But as of now, Ranbir Kapoor and Katrina Kaif would be moving in together in a pad in Bandra in the same building where Aamir Khan is also staying. To move on, we also have Veer Das, who I met recently. He's got his film called Amit Sahni Ki List coming out, and he has two really pretty heroines debuting with him, really young girls. And Veer has this song called Pyar 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 बड़ी कुत्ती चीज है. I wonder श्रीजा बॉलीवुड में गानों को हो क्या रहा है? Lyricist क्या कर रहे हैं? Why kutti cheese all of a sudden? But Veer says that he's the composer and he's the lyricist also of this song and he feels that it's his moments that he's experienced in the past and his emotions that he's tried to share with his fans and audiences with this song called Pyar Badi Kutti Cheez Hai. I wonder audiences क्या react करेंगे आपको वहाँ पे सुनाना चाहिए and you know you should let me know or probably you know just tweet Veer Das के what the listeners out there in California feel about Veer's this new song. Also Shilpa Shetty is pretty much going the entrepreneur way. She has come up with a gold plan for a gold agency that she and her husband Raj Kundra own. It's called Satyug Gold and she's got a plan wherein you can buy gold only in ₹50 per day. So she's keeping the Aam Janta in mind and she's out with her own gold plan. Well, Shilpa Shetty is a very stylish woman and she feels that, you know, if a lot of her fans could follow her, a lot of her you know, Twitter followers could follow her and could go in for the scheme, then they could really earn some good gold and be, you know, go ahead for a really secure future. So Shilpa Shetty out there is trying to do something for the Janta.
Okay, that was Abhishek Datta, our Bollywood correspondent in Mumbai with our top stories for this week. So news about Ranbir and Katrina, you heard about Veer Das, Shilpa Shetty and Raj Kundra and also the movie Hate Story. And that's Bollywood Roundup for this week. Abhishek, as always, thank you so much for joining us.
You're welcome, Shrija, and please ask the viewers to go and watch Hate Story 2 because it's going to be something really different from what we have been seeing in the past. A different genre, a different film, new actors on the block, fun chemistry, and an erotic thriller. It always works, right?
Okay, you heard that. So that's Hate Story that Abhishek Datta is talking about. And Abhishek will be back with us next week when we bring you our next Bollywood Roundup. Thank you everyone for watching. And if you'd like to be a part of this, nate@klok1170am.com. Send an email to Nate right there. This is me, Shrija, signing off. Take care and have a great week ahead.